Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the BIOS to be able to install Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get on. Right, so we're in the BIOS and what we need to do is head over to, on this board it's under the boot. I think it is on most of them, so go over to there and then we'll go to CSM and we want to disable that, and then what we're going to have to do is save for changes. That should come back into the right, and then we're going to go over to security, secure boot. Now it's always set to custom, not sure why. Now if we do that, it's going to turn around and say that you need to install the keys. So if we change that to standard enabled and come over to save changes. Right, so we're now going to install Windows, and this is booting from the flash drive. So area and language United Kingdom, and install. I'm going to say I don't have a product key because I can do that later on. Right, so I know it's Windows 11 Home we're going to be installing. I'm going to go through all the licensing and we're going to choose customized. Right, so here's the NVMe 2 terabyte. So we're going to new and apply. So that's going to set that up, and then we're going to say next on the largest partition. And that's going to go through and copy the files. So now I'm going to show you a an update to skipping the Windows 11 Microsoft account setup. Right, so we're going to choose United Kingdom, and United Kingdom, we're going to skip. Right, so this is it. So this is as of April the 24th, 2023. To skip the Microsoft account activation or setup, then this is what you're going to have to do. Right, so you're going to hold down the shift and tap the F10 key. If you're on a laptop, it's going to possibly going to be function shift and F10. So here we're going to click on that and we're going to type OOBE OOBE. So sorry, I was typing with the wrong keyboard. So OOBE and bypass NRO, and Windows is, once you press enter or return, Windows is going to restart. So that's it at the moment, wanting us to sign in. So we're going to hit enter. So once again we're going to say yes, yes, skip, and then here now you can see it says I don't have internet, and then continue with limited setup. Right, so now we can type username and oops, next, and not set a password. And now we're going to choose no for all these, or the bottom option. And there we go. That is basically it. So yeah, all I've got to do now is probably install a few drivers that are missing, and do the configuration for the customer. Hope you enjoyed this video, and you've learned something. Yeah, take care, be good to each other, have a nice day, bye.